Alright guys, here comes an Amtrak about to fly by Guilford. I think this is Amtrak 135.
Please remain behind yellow line.
Oh, it's on this track. Alright, ACS 64, 609 was leading. There he goes. I think this is 135. Alright guys, here comes an Acela about to fly past Guilford.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Alright, 2009 and 2020. And there he goes to New Haven.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Alright guys, here comes the Shoreline East, arriving at Guilford.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Okay. The first train turned out to be Northeast Regional Extra 1135, and then after was Acela 2261.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Alright, cab car 1709's leading.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Alright, here he goes. He has a red signal. P40 DC 842 shoving. And there he goes. Alright guys, here comes Amtrak Regional Extra 1164 about to fly past Guilford.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind
ACS 64 638 was leading. There he goes. Alright guys, here comes Acela 2255 about to fly past Guilford.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Alright, 2027 and 2033. There he goes to New Haven.
Please remain behind yellow line.
Alright guys, here comes the Shoreline East arriving at Guilford. Alright, 843 is leading. And Cal Car 1703. Alright, here he goes. And there he goes to New Haven. Alright guys, here comes Amtrak 135 about to fly by Guilford.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Ooh, 10 cars! ACS 64 649 was leading.
Behind yellow line.
It had 10 cars. There he goes to New Haven. Alright guys, here comes Amtrak Acela 2252 about to fly by Guilford.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Alright guys, here comes a late Amtrak 164 about to fly past Guilford. Cars! And ACS 64 618 was leading. There he goes. Alright guys, here comes the Amtrak Acela 2249 about to fly past Guilford.
Behind yellow line.
cars 2005 and 2008. Here he goes to New Haven. Alright guys, here comes the Shoreline East pulling into Guilford.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Alright. Cab car 1703 is leading. Alright, here he goes. B40DC 843 subbing. Here he goes to Old Saybrook. Alright, here's a purchase of a Sella 2297. Sorry if you couldn't see much. There he goes. Alright guys, here comes the Stella. I believe the number is 2248. And there he goes.